gorgeous peeps in my universal world of peeps. Today, I thought I'd come at you with something slightly different. This is more of a secret, a how-to video. And guess what we're going to be doing how to do? Buttermilk. Now, I know buttermilk is something I use a lot these days. I didn't use it always because I didn't actually understand the properties of it. And me being cheap, I was not going out to no supermarket to buy no buttermilk. But then I discovered how to make my own buttermilk and unlock a world of flavor. And that's what I'm going to do with you. You don't realize how many different ingredients that you can actually use buttermilk in. You can make pancakes, cakes, savory dishes, biscuits. You can use it in your mashed potatoes. You can even use it as a dressing, like a vinaigrette. You can even drink it. Yes, you can, because it's good for you. It's kind of what our grandmothers used to use as kind of like a probiotics, you know, putting those kind of, not germs, but, you know, those things back into your stomach, that good stuff, the good stuff that you need in your belly. But it's also, like I say, it's excellent for marinating your meats. When I make my southern fried chicken now, I always marinate it in buttermilk. I'm sorry, I've gotten into the custom because I notice a difference. And the difference is in that juiciness and but you guess what? Ain't got nothing to do with butter. But you know what? It comes from when they used to make the butter and churn it. It's that liquid bit that was left off from the butter. So that's the buttermilk. You get it? So sit back as I show you my secrets and let's butter on down with the mama with her buttermilk. Oh yeah! Hello everybody. Now, the first step to this dish is I am going to marinate it. Oh yes I am. I'm going to marinate it in some buttermilk. Alright, now for those of you who have missed it before, buttermilk, really simple. This is the secret to get. You don't have to go out and buy any buttermilk. You can make your buttermilk. What I have here is just a small pint of some semi-skimmed milk. I'm just going to pour that in here. To this, in order to turn it into buttermilk, it is just bulla quick. Oh yeah. Vinegar. That's the secret. Or lemon juice. That's the secret. They are both acids. And you need that acid to turn that milk to buttermilk. And remember, there was no butter used in the making of this buttermilk. Here we go. So we're going to add just a little bit of vinegar.
Shouldn't it be, I can't believe it's not buttermilk then?
Will you hush? It is buttermilk.
Okay.
And there you go. And literally, that is it. Already you can see, look at that, when I swirl it around, can you see how it sticks to the sides?
Yep.
It is already curdled it up. Now, so I'm going to actually marinate this for about an hour to 2 hours. You don't have to do it overnight. So if you wake up in the morning as I did and thought, what do I fancy? I fancy some buttermilk rotisserie chicken. You can do it.
Rotisserie.
Already? Yeah, it's rotisserie.
It's rotisserie, darling.
It's rotisserie.
Well, it is in your world, yes.
Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it down in the bag.
It's in the bag.
It's in the bag. And then, let's put this bag over this. I'm just going to take my buttermilk, the secret, and pour it over. Hold up. There we go. Can you see it all glooply-looply?
Yes.
That's your buttermilk. Oh, yes. And then, we're going to tie this up. Let's get the air out. Whoa! Almost lost my buttermilk.
Oh, leaking?
Oh, we got a leak. And that's it. So let's just leave this whole chicken sitting here to marinate. And we're going to be putting it on its little turtle skewers in a minute to rotisserate it. Okay?
Okay.
See you later. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was quick. It was easy. Now I want you to use it as well. So with a little bit of peace and love and soul from the Buttermilk Mama herself. Get making. Get churning. Make that buttermilk. Bye.